Que lo que, mi gente, it's your boy Dio. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys' support. I've broken 2,000 subs, man. I'm really excited. You guys know my trajectory already. I mean, 5+ years in the game already, on and off, you know, basically consistent but not as frequent. You know, you guys know that a lot of motovloggers or just, you know, videographers in general, the more consistent you are, the more you post, the more subscribers you get quicker, right? So I've been blessed to have a consistent subscriber, I guess, income, right? Even though I haven't been posting videos regularly. So that's I guess that's a really good thing. You know, like I said, I'm blessed to be where I'm at right now, and I gotta just keep on chugging, guys. I gotta keep on chugging. So that brings me to today's video. If you guys have been long-time subscribers, you've been seeing very similar footage, and that is because I've been using a GoPro. You guys are ready? GoPro Hero4 to do all of my videos. You guys can see right there on the reflection, that is a Hero4, guys. And there's no stabilization, there's none of the fancy stuff that comes with the new GoPros currently. And the main reason I've been kind of hesitant to upgrade is because I currently use a Senna hooked up to a Senna backpack, which I'll show you guys when I'm off the bike. Actually, I'll put some video in right now showcasing that. And that allows me to use my Senna microphone as the main microphone. Once I got that setup going, my audio quality has been amazing, right? So you guys can hear me very clearly. And to be honest with you, to me, that's the most important thing. The video, I mean, it's high quality. It's not that it is not, but it's just not stabilized, right? So every time I turn my head or any little bump you see, it's all reflected on the video. But when you have bad audio, you really can't see video with bad audio. It's like really bad. But the true is for the opposite. You can see sort of mediocre video and have great audio. And that's what I've been kind of surviving on these past few years. And I've been hesitant to upgrade because with the new GoPros, you need all sorts of attachments and little workarounds that make it a little bit more cumbersome to really motovlog. I mean, if you guys follow some of the bigger YouTubers, you know, and motovloggers, they have, you know, some heavy-duty setups on their helmets just to be able to talk to you guys and be able to motovlog. And that's kind of something that I've been avoiding for the last couple of years. Until today. So today we're actually heading up. You guys are gonna come with me to Best Buy in Yonkers, and we're gonna pick up the brand new GoPro Hero 9. And I'm picking this up along with a media mod, which is an adapter or a case type thing that allows you to plug in an external mic, and that is what is needed to be able to motovlog. Now, I currently don't have a lapel mic to plug into, so I am going to try to be working around a little workaround to use the current Senna microphone and somehow hook it up to the media pack using an adapter or something. I really don't know how I'm going to do it, to be honest with you. But that is the plan. That's the goal. Pick this thing up, get back home, finagle it a little bit, test it, go out for a ride, test it some more. And we'll see if it works. So I welcome you guys to this journey with me, and let's see how it turns out. So right now I have another 20 minutes to go, so I'm gonna definitely save you guys the trouble of sitting through, especially with this traffic. But yeah, I'll pick it back up when we're back up there. By the way, guys, I gotta I'm being extra careful when I'm lane splitting right now because it's only April 2nd. Cars are not really used to seeing motorcycles on the road right now. And I don't know if you guys saw back there, but this guy was just literally not even, he didn't even hear me, see me, nothing. So I really got to take it easy and unfortunately stick with the traffic for a little bit because I'm trying to stay alive, guys. These guys don't see you. So for you guys riding out now, early April, just be extra careful, man. On, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Make sure everything is here. We got the GoPro, we got the media mod, and the SD card. Never go wrong with more SD cards. Alright guys, let's go back home, set this up, and we'll see how it looks.